I first came to Honduras after Hurricane Mitch struck the coast and rained in the mountains for about a week and washed away many of the farms and the people and their crops. And they were, even their dirt. I mean, they were dirt poor before the hurricane, and then it washed away their dirt. So when I first came, it was really just very basic relief. There were a lot of sick people, lots of kids with pneumonia, and the situation was pretty bad. Over the years, we've been able to see people reestablish their farms, reestablish their crops and their cows, and now they actually have a cash crop that they can sell and improve their lives. And in general, the people, they're still really poor, but they have a reasonable quality of life. ¿Y tiene 2 horas montado a su casa? Okay. Descansa poco con su pierna arriba y voy a buscar antibióticos. But if we can get all this and keep it open, if he can understand our instructions well enough and follow them, it should heal up pretty well. I'll go ahead and treat him with some antibiotics just because it's so deep. Today, yeah, poco de esto pomada.
Esta pomada la va a poner, se va a lavar primero.
Lentamente. One connection that I really didn't understand till I was there, many of the campesinos talked about how after Hurricane Mitch, the economy of the whole country was so much worse, they had less choice. And one of their options to survive was to go to the jungle, to leave the cities, cut down some trees, make some land, make a family. Again, not really many other choices. So if we can provide some economic support, some education about other ways that they can survive, maybe plantations of cacao or the caoba tree or other things that I don't know of, then again, they'll be making better choices, they'll be having better lives, and we'll have a better planet.
Aquí, todo esto son cojines florales ya, mire, todo aquí por las ramitas que ya viene, todo eso sí. Yo me siento, puedo decir que motivado con el proyecto de cacao, porque esto nos ha venido a reducir bastante. Esto nos lleva a que por lo menos reforestamos nuestro parque nacional. A la vez de que vamos a tener un ingreso con el cacao. Y entonces esto nos ayuda porque de repente con este ingreso nosotros ya no tenemos cómo ir a molestar el bosque, sino que más bien reforestar. Esto para mí por lo menos es la expectativa mía que yo tengo, que es un beneficio para nosotros los que vivimos dentro del parque. Tanto como las señoras que son productoras, ellas ya han venido a las zonas de aprendizaje, llevan ese conocimiento. Aparte de las que tal vez no han podido venir, pues se les transmite el mensaje. Sí, pero esto nos lleva, como le dijera, a un avance con las mujeres también, porque así nos agrupamos, tanto como nosotros los varones, las mujeres y los niños. Para mí esto es bastante bueno.
Over these last 12 years of coming here doing medical work, initially I really just focused on the medical part, just providing medical care to the people. I worked together with an organization that was trying to preserve the rainforest, and I at the beginning didn't see how these would be connected, but it became clear that by working together, the local people receiving medicine and trusting this organization then accepted more the advice of the Association Patuca. I couldn't do my work without them, and I think they have been able to do their work more easily because of the medical camps as I come and provide medical care to the people. ¿Cuántos años tiene?
No, pues ahora estamos en las 9:52 minutos, son las 9 de la mañana 52 minutos y ahora vamos a complacer
¿Cuántos niños tiene?
Saludos por ahí para Karen en el sector de carreteras de Cuyamel, saludando a Saraí, deseándole una feliz mañana. Son los temerarios para complacer como te recuerdo y seguidamente.
Es más fácil para traer todo. I'm always struck by how unusual it is, or what luck it is that I happen to be there at a certain time. There's a young boy that a few days before was just running and put his foot into a stick and had a horrible infection in his foot, and I was able to take out this big piece of wood from his foot and save a horrible infection, and maybe you could die from something like that. It's so simple. But just by being there at that time, I was able to remove it, get him some antibiotics, take good care of it, and he should be fine.
Gracias. Bueno, igual. Bueno, que le vaya bien. Nos vemos. Vale, que le vaya bien. Nos vemos. Vale, que le vaya bien.
So as I finished my trip to the Patuca, we treated 2,000 or 3,000 people in about 12 different communities. We walked through jungle that was beautiful, native jungle with many animals, and we walked through areas that had been cut down and burned. As I finish all this and put it together in my mind, I'm struck by how everything is connected and how providing health care for women and children and education for the campesinos, helping them come together as a community, gives them more choices. And when they have more choices, they make better choices. I hope that'll help their health, help the health of the planet, and everybody on it.